What's going on, guys? Ben Simon here, and today I'm bringing another video. What I'm going to be doing today is a new franchise rebuilding series thing, okay? So, you might be like, Ben, you just had that preseason roster franchise game thing. Well, I was in my second game of that, and I was winning 50-0. I was like, this is too easy. I need to change it up. So I haven't seen anybody do this. These are the preseason roster right there, and they use a franchise. Okay, chill. No, I have 20. Okay, I'll be right back. Wait, actually, I'm gonna talk while I do that. So basically, every year I'm gonna do rebuild, sim, draft, and that'll be it for the episode. Rebuild, sim, draft. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing that and stuff, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna do that until I can't do anymore, because I know there's a cap, but I don't know when exactly. So yeah, preseason roster, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go to the regular thing. And of course I'm using the Falcons as favorite team. Squad. Okay, here we are. We're here. And if you didn't see my other rebuild that lasted 3 episodes, I don't think you should check it out because it's over. But, you know, Matt Ryan, he's a lower overall. Devontae Freeman, he just signed an extension, which is amazing because I met him. Not the picture, but I met him. Okay, I made a YouTube video about check it out. Yeah, you should probably check it out. And Julio and more. So yeah. So anyways, you got Julio, Devin Hester, he's not on the team. Mohamed Sanu, Jacob Taylor, he's not on the team. Other people, defense is worse. Look at that. Ew. Disgusting. Nasty. So I'm trying Super Bowl year 1. I don't know if you are, but I am. So let's start trades. Woo! And with my first trade, I'm going to be trading Jacob Tammey and Philip Wheeler for 22 overall, 22 years old, Leonard Williams. Okay, I'm going to be trading Rashad Hagman straight up for strong safety. Definitely not middle linebacker Deion Buchanan, because he's definitely not a middle linebacker. He is a safety. Okay, I'm going to be trading Ricardo Allen, who follows me on Instagram. If you don't, you should probably follow me on Instagram. It's at BenSimonYT. For Ali Carpet. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Chris Chester, who I moved over to right tackle because he is not wanted at right guard. Courtney Upshaw, not a girl, okay, and Ricardo Allen for 25-year-old, 87 overall, Rashad Richardson. Oh, hello there. You got Tyson Jackson and Paul Warlow for John Brown. I didn't think that was going to go through, but it went through. That's good. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Adrian Claiborne straight up for CJ Fedorowicz. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Stone and Brooks Reeve for Ronald Darby. And with my next trade, I'm going to trade Andy Leviche straight up for Conklin with a 4th round pick, so yeah. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Ryan Shradudu backup and a 6th round pick for Laramie Tunsil. Boom. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Jonathan Babinock to 6 and 7 straight up for DeCastro. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Alex Mack a 3rd and Tom Conklin for Bobby Wagner. And with my next trade, I'm going to be trading 2nd round pick straight up for Quan Alexander. So here's what the team looks like. There's the offense. Got Matt Ryan, Fonte Freeman, people. Then here you got Jake Matthews, Laremy Tunsil, DeCastro, Almopet, Kukin, CJ Fedorowicz. Then you got Bobby Wagner, Quan Alexander. You got Dion Jones. Yeah. Okay, so let's send to midseason. Hopefully we're doing well. What? 2-5-1. What? Bobby Wagner's injured. Offense. Everybody's good. Why are we 2-5-1? I gotta look at this statistics. Everybody has a tie in our division. That's very realistic. There we go. Preseason, how do we do? Win, loss, boom. How did we lose to the Browns? Oh, by the way, I went to that game in real life. If you didn't see that, look up teleporting to a Falcons game. You should watch that. Okay, and we tied against the Bucks. Then we lost, win, lost, win, lost. The funny part is, we lost that, we won that, lost that, then won that. It's kind of like opposite, kind of. Okay, statistical is this. Not Matt Ryan's fault. 3rd in passing. You know what? Let's just sim. I kind of want to tank, kinda. But I'm not. A gap in the defense is good, okay? Defense is good. Defense is good, okay. Combo. 5-10-1. With this team, 5-10-1. At least Deion Jones is good. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna do some XPing. Then I'm going to show you, then we're going to go to resigning people. So here's what the team's looking like. Looks about the same. CJ went up. That's about it for offense. Defense, he's up to 83, 81, 87, 75. And let's sim over to the off season and see who we got resigned. Okay, Patrick DeMarco, the 92 overall. We got David DeCastro, Kimmel Ishmael. Okay, Patrick DeMarco. I might keep you for 2 more or 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Don't want him running away. Okay. David DeCastro. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Offers perfect. Kimmel Ishmael, no one cares, no one cares, no one cares, no one cares, no one cares. Actually, he's 6'8". He's 6'8". Come on. We gotta get the 6'8" guy. Anybody else? No. Okay. Let's go to next week and see who we can get in free agency. Okay. And we're back. So let's view available free agents. Tony Jefferson. Wait, I didn't see his age. Okay, hey! I could maybe use him for something. Let's get Kendall right. I think he could be better than, the guy named Mohamed Sanu. There we go. And, let's see. I want a linebacker to back up, Bobby Wagner, so his overall isn't a 0. Let's get that 27. Who was that? Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Boom. Okay, anybody else? Let's go back to top 100. Okay, no. Already offered, no. No. Actually, I do need a quarterback because my third best is a 0 overall, and I don't want 0 overall people. So there we go. Okay, so of course I'm automatically going to get them because I have the highest offer, so let's go to next week, and we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, everybody, so I'm going to scout, then I'm not going to show you because that's boring, then I'm going to show you the draft. Okay, so there's 2 people that I want. One's a tight end, one's a quarterback. Tight end's supposed to be early, and the quarterback's mid. Okay, so let's skip. Let's see if the tight end gets taken. If the tight end gets taken, it's automatically the guy. But tight end's still here, right? Am I correct? Scouted. Tight end. Look at this guy. 1. And here's the quarterback. A+ throw power, B+ accuracy short. I think tight end's not as important as quarterback, but I don't want him to be a bust, even though, like, when they have A+ throw power, that at least gotta be decent. I have no idea. What should I do? Pokemon card. If it lands like that, I get the tight end. If it lands like that, I get the quarterback. Okay? Here you go. Okay, I guess I get the tight end. Oh wait, oh, my finger slipped! Oh. Well, he's 6th in true talent, and we picked him at number 7, so that's good. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is get rid of Matt Ryan, and then we're gonna use Matt Ryan to get a good tight end, maybe even the tight end that we were going to get, and then I basically know he's a superstar development, but we need a quarterback because, 85 overall, old Matt Ryan isn't really going to do it because this was before he won the MVPs, 97 overall. Okay? Let's do that. So, draft recap. Let's see how that guy is doing. Okay. Okay. So I went through every single person in the first round. And I'm guessing this is him. Okay. He's normal. Okay, he is normal. Which is good. Okay, everything stopped recording. But that's good because we kind of dodged the bullet and we got ourselves a starting QB. So, next episode, we can get rid of Matt Ryan. We're going to start our rookie. And then everything's going to be good. Of course, he starts out bad because we did whatever we got. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Check out my other videos. I mean, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna start doing this thing where whoever comments first gets their comment pinned, but no one comments. Literally, no one comments, so I can't do it. I'm probably gonna start commenting myself and just pinning myself because I don't know. I got no one. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I've been Simon, and goodbye.